I've been active at different levels in AILA throughout my immigration law career, I guess. I started at the local level. I was very active in the Dallas AILA. I was the Texas chapter chair in 2012, and I've stayed local. I've been on the Board of Governors since 2014, I think. And kind of just stair stepped. But this is something that I wanted to do for many, many years, but I'm also had to balance life as a mom and a law partner and a small business owner, because it's just George and myself owning the law office. So I just became an empty nester last year. And so it's finally time that I can actually say, okay, I've got the next 6 years to give my time, because it is a very, very big time commitment. So I wanted to make sure that I had the time to give the time that it deserved to be a leader in AILA, because there's a lot that needs to be done.
I mean, in those positions, you got to travel and go to meetings, you got to be on phone calls constantly, at the very least, in addition to all the work you got to do, right?
Right. So we have leadership calls every other week for 2 hours, once a week, plus anytime something happens, we're in constant contact. You're pretty much on call 24/7. If anything happens politically, you got to be ready to go. If there's something that pops up in the organization, you got to be ready to go. Obviously, you get asked to speak at a lot of different conferences, not just for AILA, but for other organizations. We're constantly on the ground with other stakeholders to make sure that, we are participating and we're out there and making sure that AILA is on the ground and being, part of the